How to restore WhatsApp from Google Drive. So I'm going to show you how you can restore WhatsApp from Google Drive. To do that, open WhatsApp on your mobile phone, navigate to settings by clicking these three dots on the top right corner of the home screen, then look for the chats section and click on that. Scroll down and tap on this chat backup button and you will see this exact same page. In here, you have the choice to include videos if you like, and just click on this button if you wish to include such. To proceed, click on this backup button. It will then start to back up your messages and wait until it is completed. If the process has been finished, proceed to uninstalling your WhatsApp and installing it again on the Play Store or any other app store that you have on your phone. When the installation is complete, open your WhatsApp application and follow the necessary steps and log in using your mobile number that is exactly the same as the number that was logged into your WhatsApp before uninstalling it. Then click on Continue and allow its access to your contacts and your media files. It will then start looking for backups and it will show you this message, allowing you to restore your messages and media from Google Storage. If you wish to continue, just tap on Restore. It will then automatically start restoring your chats and wait for the process to be completed. Once the restoration has been completed, just follow other necessary steps to finish the setup. Then you will see that your chats are restored, and that is how you can easily restore WhatsApp from Google Drive.